I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play the forest in creative mode. Begin by opening a creative world and setting a clear area for your forest layout. Place varied saplings and use bone meal to accelerate growth while spacing trees for pathways. Add terrain layers, water features, and lighting to shape mood and navigation. Test walking routes and adjust canopy height for interesting sight lines and safe exploration. Plant trees with intent and treat, each as a building element for atmosphere and navigation. Use mixed saplings and staggered placement to avoid uniform rows and create natural-looking glades. Build custom trunks and leaf layers for dramatic canopies and hidden alcoves, and add vines or lanterns for vertical interest. Walk the area often to spot sightline problems and tweak branches so players can explore comfortably and discover secrets. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because they prevent spills and save time during marathon build sessions, and they stack neatly with clear lids so you can grab meals fast. They pair surprisingly well with creative mode play when you need a tidy snack setup nearby. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on small details that make a forest feel lived in and magical rather than empty. Carve winding paths and add water features like ponds or streams to break up dense trees. Scatter rocks, fallen logs, and benches to invite exploration and provide landmarks. Hide subtle lighting sources under leaves or inside lantern posts to keep ambience without harsh glare, and place a few ruins or signs for storytelling hooks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.